Pocono Organics in Long Pond is poised to be the largest regenerative organic farm in North America. You can purchase fresh produce here, or you can sit down and enjoy a meal at the brand new Market Cafe. You can even roll up your sleeves and make a dish yourself.
So welcome everybody to Pocono Organics. This is our stir fry cooking class.
Some fresh ingredients, slicing, and mixing. The perfect recipe for a unique date night.
So we're very excited about doing some fresh stir fry.
Yes.
Or we get the restaurant version of stir fry. So it's pretty cool to actually get the experience from start to finish of something that we eat often.
And that's why it has this nice bright green color.
In this brand new state-of-the-art cooking space, couples are learning skills that can be applied in their own kitchens. From proper cutting techniques to incorporating herbs into dishes.
So we get a lot of experience with how to take an ordinary dish and make it something extra special.
As you cut your garlic and your ginger, you can set it on your tray.
Chef Lindsey Mclean is a season 20 winner of Food Network's hit show Chopped. Now, as head chef at Pocono Organics, Lindsey enjoys sharing her experience and love of cooking with others.
A lot of times when I was a restaurant chef, I felt like I was just making dinner for people every night. And here I actually feel like I'm contributing to the community and helping people learn things, and that's really enjoyable and rewarding.
In addition to classes for individuals and couples, Pocono Organics also hosts kids classes.
It's helping me learn how to cook by learning how these things are done in the kitchen, what kind of ingredients you need.
Today, these pint-sized chefs are designing cake pops that look like turkeys, complete with chocolate bodies, pretzels for feet, edible eyes, and candy corn feathers.
You put eyes on them.
And
Feathers.
back at date night, the stir fry is ready to be tasted and enjoyed over a glass of wine in this BYOB setting.
So it's definitely a good time.
Creating meals and memories in the Pocono Mountains. For Pocono Television Network, I'm Brianna Strunk.